All right, so here's a video I was specifically asked to record about the health benefits of papaya. Now, I do love papaya. It's something I like to add to a lot of my food, a lot of my snacks. Like getting it frozen, I like picking it from the store whenever it's in season. And I do love just breaking down on papaya. It has a really interesting texture. I just like it. So I'm going to break down a couple of the benefits of papaya, what makes it so good, so great for you. And hopefully you'll start adding it to your diet as well. If you're an American, like myself, you have very limited access to really good fruits and vegetables. But when you can get your hand on the really good stuff, it's really good to have. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so one thing about papaya is it technically has more vitamin C in it than an orange does, which is pretty fantastic because we spend a lot of time talking about oranges. Oranges are so good for you. You should eat a lot of oranges when it's cold and flu season or whatever. But no one ever talks about papaya. Well, it's packed full of vitamin C and it's fantastic. Now, the one thing about papaya, I'm gonna say that word a lot, so just keep account for yourself and just let me know in the comments below how many times I said papaya. Okay, papaya. Oh, but so the thing I was gonna say was the most common form of papaya that we have here in the United States is Hawaiian papaya, but it's mainly GMO, so it's genetically modified. Whatever. It's genetically modified, so it's usually kind of fakeish. So you have to be careful with that. Try and stick with the organic stuff. I think I talked to you all before about organic just means that they allow you to use certain chemicals versus non-organic where certain chemicals are not allowed. So just because it is organic does not mean that it's chemical free. Just because it says all natural does not mean that it's chock full of, what's that stuff called? What is it, baby? Chemicals. Yes, chemicals. So keep that in mind when you're shopping and looking around for the stuff that a lot of times the stuff is GMO. Now, take that with a grain of salt because a lot of people are eating oranges like the little fruities or whatever, the little tangerines with no seeds and easy to peel. That's all genetically modified to make it easier for kids to eat and for adults with tiny hands to eat, like Donald Trump. So keep that in mind. A lot of food we do eat is genetically modified. So do your best to try and live a very natural life as much as possible by going to farmers markets and picking stuff up or going to a local farm. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Or shop in the organic section. You're going to pay the price, but your life's worth it, right? I think so. Okay, so back to the vitamin C thing though, it's really good. It prevents a lot of issues, stomach ulcers, breast cancer, colon cancer, stuff like that. It's really good for you. You should eat it. You should have it a lot in your food. If you have a well-balanced diet, you should be taking in a lot of vitamin C just from the food you're eating. Now, if you do not have a balanced diet, it's a very unbalanced, meat eater, heavy kind of diet, you might be screwing yourself over. You might be killing yourself. Who am I to judge? I'm just saying do better with your life. Like, I got a baby, so I need to live long to make sure this dude has, like, all the cool stuff in the world. I don't know about you, but, that's your life, though. Your life. Okay, so papaya also does a great job of reducing menstrual cramps because of inflammation control. Papaya is packed full of vitamins and minerals, and vitamin C does a great job of easing inflammation in your joints, in your body, because too much inflammation does what? Yes, it causes your body to do too much, produce too much, and go through a lot of changes that you don't want to have. So if you are concerned about heavy menstrual flow or just having joint pain, muscle pain, and a lot of pains in your body, invest in some papaya or some more vitamin C pills, whatever you like, your thing. It's all up to you, but it's really good for you. Okay, good for you. Good for you. That's what we're talking about. Good stuff. So one thing I saw about papaya that I found pretty interesting is it actually helps keep your DNA from breaking down. Helps keep your DNA from breaking down. Now, I'm not sure how that happens, how that works. I can only assume it's from the increase or the nice flow of vitamins and minerals that your body is taking in. But I just thought that was really interesting. So if you know anything about that part, let me know. Send me some scholarly journals or whatever, because I think that's pretty dope. If papaya helps your DNA, because it makes you understand like why people in foreign countries that eat a lot of fruits like this just look so goddamn healthy. Like opposed to us, where we're just all like, zombie. So the last thing I wanted to say about papaya is it actually does a great job of helping protein digestion, helping with protein digestion. So if you're a big protein eater or you just eat food like regular people, because you probably saw my video about protein, like that was a couple of days ago before the baby was born, your body does need protein. And eating something like vitamin C or eating something like papaya does a great job of helping your body metabolize and process that protein, okay? You can also eat the seeds as well. So you can throw the seeds into a smoothie, blend it all up, and drink that because the seeds are chock full of vitamin and minerals, just like the actual papaya itself. We talked about that when we talked about mangoes, how the mango seed has a really good has all the properties of the mango itself. So, you can't say I didn't tell you. You can't say I didn't tell you. Yeah, okay, so subscribe, like. He farted. Subscribe, like, share this video. I got a baby, so I need some cheese for my eggs. All y'all goons in trouble. I'll pop that bubble. Click, clack. Bow.